Hello everyone, let us evaluate this integral of e to the power x into bracket x plus 1. This is in numerator divided by denominator is cos square into bracket x into e to the power x. Integral is with respect to x. We have to consider this integral as I. Hence I is equal to integral of e to the power x into x plus 1 divided by cos square x into e to the power x. Integral is with respect to x. Now here this integrand is complicated. In such cases we have to use substitution method. So here put this bracket x into e to the power x is equal to new variable t. Now differentiate this with respect to x on both sides of this equation. Hence derivative of x into e to the power x using multiplication formula, first function as it is into derivative of e to the power x with respect to x plus derivative of first function with respect to x into second function as it is equal to derivative of t with respect to x. Now simplify this. Hence x into derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. This plus sign, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into e to the power x is equal to derivative of t with respect to x. Taking this dx on this side and taking e to the power x common from these two terms, we can write e to the power x into bracket, from first term x is remaining and from second term 1 is remaining, and taking this dx on left hand side, dx is equal to dt. So we have to replace x into e to the power x by t here, and this denominator we can replace by dt. Hence given integral I can be written as I is equal to integral of dt divided by cos square x into e to the power x is t, but 1 upon cos square t is sec square t, so this is equal to sec square t and integral with respect to t. But this is standard formula. Integral of sec square t is tan t. Okay, and add integral constant c. Since integral of sec square x integral with respect to x is equal to tan x. Applying this formula here, hence I is equal to tan x plus integral constant c, and this is answer. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.